Oh, it's recording? Like
yes, it's recording.
Right.
Hang out with your girl while I cook dinner for my family. Y'all hear the ASMR. Y'all hear that crunch? Ooh, look at that. Oh. See? Gun range.
Oh,
Yes, it's recording.
Call me Ricky T on the lead.
Gun range.
Like a dog, I can have the fleet. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got ready clean, push yourself a steam. In the moments.
I had my face, cooking it. Just kind of do it in a little messy bun.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Be a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. True the right, but it will be in front of me. Oh, away from all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. I disappeared if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone.
Got my rice on. I have my chicken on and my lentils. So yeah, that's what's happening. I did forget to put my peppers in there, so hold on. Cheat sheet for some quick meals when you don't feel like chopping up nothing. I put a good amount in here. Now if you don't like to put your stuff in there frozen, to me it's the same thing. You can kind of pop this in the microwave and let it defrost your veggies or whatever, and it'll do the same thing as if you chop it, except it's frozen.
Way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give them moves in the first of May. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be the nuisance. This is hurt. Makes us a little change. Be a war in world. I was no accident.
Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry it's so dark. Y'all can't really see my face. But yeah, I am drinking tea and emergency mixed. This is my Aries cup, my Aries mug. For anybody that is Aries twin with your girl. But yeah, this is what I do when I'm starting to feel like I'm getting a little congested and stuff. Honestly, we drink tea like every day in this house. So clearly you can see like my whole little tea collection, cause I have a cabinet full of just different type of teas for almost everything, every issue you might have. I always enjoy just a hot cup of tea. I don't care, summertime, wintertime, whatever time. Cheers. Check out my girl Mo plant. I put these 2 stakes on her to support her. She Mo, I think you're a little dry. Your soil is definitely dry, so we need to get some water up in you. During the summertime, she be hot, so she drink a lot of water. Look at that. Let me see if I can find like a newer one. Okay, when they shiny like this and soft, you see like the difference. This is a baby one that just came in recently. This is a pretty big one. And no matter how much I try to pull it forward, Mo likes to stretch towards the window every single time. I actually went to Home Depot when I first bought it, and then go to that one, y'all. Check out my YouTube shorts. I think it was about a year ago or something. But see how she looked before versus how she look now. So I just love the way the monstera plants grow. They just grow all crazy and wild.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong.
kind of like on the boardwalk. I hope I'm talking loud enough. One day soon I will be getting me a mic. I just gotta search one and see, you know, which mic is the best. But sorry if y'all can't hardly hear me. Hopefully the audio will turn out good. But yeah, how y'all doing this morning? It's Friday. Yeah.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to share. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded.
I am currently in Ross. Ooh. I like these hats. These are cute for the beach. Like when you have locks, it'd be so hard to find hats that fit on top of your head, especially when your locks be thick. Wait a minute now. Hold on now. I mean, it's kind of giving beach. I mean, y'all can't really tell how it look right now because I have on. I mean, I have this head scarf on, but I don't have this color, so I think I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. So what I came in here for is like the jewelry stands. Because hold on, necklaces.
The balance between problem solving, the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt. No, be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt. No, be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me?
All right, y'all. Hey. So I'm actually getting ready to cook some fried rice with veggie spring rolls. I'm also gonna be like searing some chicken thighs, and then also some fried cauliflower bites. So stay tuned. I'll be this ain't gonna be like a talking vlog like that, but I did want to come on the camera and let y'all know what I'm doing also, and I wanted to, you know, say hey, what's up. I hope anybody that's watching is doing well, staying grounded, doing what you need to do for you, filling up your cup first before you help or do anything for anybody else. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to cook what I love to do the most, of course. But yeah, so I'm about to get started, get the meal started for my fam. Today is Friday, July the 19th. I'm pretty sure y'all will probably be getting this vlog a little later on at the end of the month, maybe August-ish, beginning of August. But yeah, stay tuned and hang out with your girl while I cook dinner for my family.
It's good.
Crunchy on the outside.
Uh-huh.
That's carrots and cabbage and onions. That's it. That's all in it. And it's vegan.
What's that?
I could tell. All right, y'all. So I'm actually done cooking. I tried to record as much as I could, but y'all know how it is with kids running around and also trying to record. Like if you trying to record and cook at the same time, you might as well say that's like double the amount of time for you to get done when you record it, because recording just takes so much longer. Enough of my rant. Here's my food. Let me give y'all a close-up. Well, like restaurant style, don't it? Okay, okay. She did it. Okay. All right, this is the fried rice. You want 1 or 2 chips? Oh my goodness. Let me break this open for y'all on the camera. My family talking in the background a little bit, but y'all hear the ASMR. Y'all hear that crunch? Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that steam. Fire. I already tasted it, but let me taste it on camera for y'all. So good. My family gonna love this. I'm just dipping it in this teriyaki sauce a little bit. Fried cauliflower bites. I fry like I fry chicken. I know y'all thinking, all this fried stuff. Fried rice, fried cauliflower, fried veggie rolls. But it's vegetables all throughout everything. The cauliflower is vegetables. And it's vegetables throughout my fried rice and my spring rolls. So alright, but I'm done. We're about to chow down and watch Cobra Kai. Let me know if y'all seen Cobra Kai.
Cobra Kai.
I thought you said Cobra Kai was up.
It is. I said we're about to watch the Tyler Perry.
Oh, the Tyler Perry movie that everybody be talking about. Alright. So yeah, I'll let y'all know how we feel about the Tyler Perry movie that got the internet in shambles.